Imagine a home entertainment system that transports you to new worlds, immerses you in stunning sound, and brings your favorite movies and shows to life. A home theater system can completely transform your viewing experience. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Whether you're looking for a sleek and modern design, that's where Real Smart Technologies comes in. Our expert technicians will design and install a custom home theater system that meets your unique needs and from initial consultation to final calibration, we'll take care of every detail to ensure your home theater system sounds and looks amazing. Ready to experience the ultimate in home entertainment? Contact Real Smart Technologies today to schedule your